If you're into jaw-dropping action, this video is for you. The roar of engines, the crack of splitting wood, and towering trees crashing down in the blink of an eye, it's all here. Logging has never looked this epic. Never attempt to trim or remove trees near power lines yourself. This job requires trained professionals to prevent serious hazards. If you notice trees posing a threat to power lines, contact the proper authorities right away to ensure a safe resolution. A heart-stopping moment. Just before the wedge could be placed, the tree suddenly split in half and crashed down. The chill hole didn't work as expected, causing a complete felling failure. Fortunately, no one was hurt. Think a fallen tree is just a minor issue? Big mistake! It can cause accidents at any moment. If the lifting force exceeds the safe limit, the front of the machine may lift off the ground, causing a loss of balance and the risk of tipping over. This can lead to the operator losing control, resulting in serious accidents and machine damage. Have you seen the TT4 in action? This is a true beast. Snow, rough terrain, no problem. Heavy loads, too easy. With incredible power and durability, this machine is almost unstoppable. What do you think? Get ready for the ultimate showdown. Koga and Vincent Couture are about to put these beasts to the test. Who do you think will come out on top? That's impressive. This guy built a sawmill from scratch. The design is pretty simple, just a frame, an engine, and a saw blade, but its performance is seriously impressive. It cuts through logs effortlessly. If there's one area for improvement, it's the log loading process. A hydraulic or automated system would make this machine even more efficient. The Ponce Ergo is seriously impressive. It delivers the power and durability you can count on for daily work. Its harvester head cuts through wood effortlessly, even with the largest trees. The user-friendly, highly responsive controls make long hours on the job much easier. With its solid performance and smart design, this is a machine worth investing in if you're looking for a new harvester. Discover the life cycle of a Douglas fir forest. In Cheshire, Oregon, a 38-year-old forest is being harvested for the first time. This video showcases how mature trees are turned into lumber, wood chips, and pulp, supporting multiple industries. This is sustainable forestry in action. Alert! This is a hollow tree. Stay sharp, everyone. This is an unpredictable situation, so we need a solid plan and a full gear check before making any cuts. Burning a stump from the inside. Easier than you think? By controlling airflow, the fire takes care of the stump with no heavy digging required. It's faster, simpler, and great for big stumps. But remember, always follow safety guidelines and local laws. Strong wind plus tree cutting equals disaster waiting to happen. One strong gust can throw everything off.
A close call.
Don't take the risk. These drivers showcase incredible skill and unwavering determination. Facing such risks every single day takes a special kind of courage. Their dedication and resilience deserve the utmost respect. Track tractors still get the job done. This crew works smart, safe, and with real expertise. It's great to see them preserving a classic yet effective method. Using an excavator to push over trees is a simple and effective method. With the power of the bucket and hydraulic system, the machine can quickly uproot trees, making land clearing easy. However, safety must be ensured, and the falling direction of the tree should be controlled to avoid risks. Time to put our skills to the test. A bur oak that stood for centuries. No high-tech machinery? No problem. We're doing it the old-fashioned way. Just tools and sheer determination. A task not for the faint-hearted. For safety reasons, the team skipped pre-trimming due to nearby power lines. But with the MS-881, they handled it with expert precision. Hauling logs is a tough and dangerous job, where risks are a daily reality. It requires intense focus and years of experience. The smell of freshly cut pine, the rhythmic sound of the sawmill, the perfect grain of ponderosa wood. These are why I love this work. This tree couldn't stand after the storm, but instead of rotting away, it will become durable lumber, useful for generations to come. That's the life cycle of a tree. Not an end, but a transformation. If stump removal has ever been a nightmare, the Veavanto Piler is the solution. This Finnish machine quickly pulls and splits stumps, saving time, effort, and costs on land clearing projects. Winters in Maine are harsh, and locals have a long-standing tradition, cutting firewood in the fall. They head into the forest, select the right trees, cut them into logs, and stack them high to prepare for the cold. The hum of chainsaws and the crisp scent of pine fill the air. Simple, yet deeply rooted in their way of life. Getting stuck, whether in the mud or in life's twists and turns, is always a challenge. Wow, that was a close call. This just reminds us that nature always has its own plans. Cutting down a leaning tree is like walking a tightrope. One wrong move and things get messy. A barber chair happens when the trunk splits unexpectedly, creating a serious hazard. Knowing the right cutting techniques lets you steer the tree safely while preserving the wood's value. No matter how much we plan, nature always has the final word. But with the LT-15, capable of slicing through massive 70-centimeter logs, the job becomes effortless. It's the perfect blend of technology and craftsmanship. When the terrain gets tough, only the strongest prevail. The Valtra forestry tractor, built for extreme conditions, is tackling a treacherous slope with raw power and unstoppable traction. No challenge is too great, only the will to push beyond limits. Felling a leaning tree isn't just about using a chainsaw, it's both science and art. Every cut must be calculated precisely because a single mistake can trigger a barber chair, causing the trunk to split dangerously. When you understand tree mechanics and apply the right techniques, you protect yourself and maximize timber quality. Who needs massive machines when you have smart engineering? This setup uses a pulley system for maximum leverage, paired with a compact 18-horsepower tractor. The result? Stump removal that's as quick and effortless as a magic trick.
What I've done, the rigging sling has pulled the bark right off the tree. It's still holding, and the tree is a hardwood, so it's not going anywhere.
Timber Pro TL745D, the roaring steel dragon of the wilderness. With the Quadco 27 SC cutting head, it growls like a beast, taking down trees in the blink of an eye. Its massive weight makes the ground tremble, every cut as sharp as the blade of a mythical creature. Are you ready to tame this dragon? Did you see that? 1 second the tree was there, and now it's just sawdust. In the blink of an eye, it vanished completely. That's the raw power of this beast. Are you fascinated by powerful machines and cutting-edge technology? Then don't miss our channel. Here, we continuously explore the most incredible machines, from massive, modern equipment to unique and surprising inventions. We bring you high-quality footage, in-depth analysis, and the most spectacular perspectives. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications to be the first to discover our latest videos.